3. Find all the factors of 25 PQ. Find all the factors of 25 PQ. Solution. Now, looking at 25 PQ, for us to get the numeric factors, we look at the number in 25 PQ. The quotient of PQ is what? 25. So the first thing to get the numeric factor, we say the factors of 25 are starting from 1. 1, then we have 5, and 25 itself. So these are the numeric factors of 25 PQ. 1, 5, and 25. Now we need to get the non-numeric factors. Let's do that using the table. Now we write the numeric factor 1, 5, 25. We draw 2 lines. Now, looking at the variables involved, P and Q. So we must have a term starting with the element P. We must have another term dealing with what? Q. Then when you have P and Q, you can also have what? P, Q together. That's another thing. That is P times Q will give you PQ. So by the time you are listing this element up here, you must start from the simple one to the complex one. P, Q, and PQ. So we draw a single line. Now, let's have the non-numeric factors. 1 times P, we have P. 1 times Q, we have Q. 1 times PQ, we have PQ. Then, the next row, 5 times P, 5P. 5 times Q, 5Q. 5 times PQ, 5PQ. Now we use 25. 25 times P, 25P. 25 times Q, 25Q. 25 times PQ, 25PQ. Now we have the non-numeric factors. Now let's list out all the factors of 25PQ now. The factors of 25PQ are, what are the factors? We start with the numeric. 1, 5, 25. Then we list out what we have here. Look at P. Then we have Q. We have PQ. The next one, 5P. We have 5Q. We have 5PQ. It continues. Then we have 25P. We have 25Q. And what? 25PQ. So you can see we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 factors. That is the solution to